So unfortunately, when you get in these periods where price isn't really doing a whole lot and sentiment doesn't seem that great throughout the space, people really get sucked into recency bias and they forget how quickly things can change in the crypto market. All it takes is a spark, a movement, FOMO sets in, prices go on runs. And in fact, this is something that has led Shiba Inu to surprise time and time again. And it wouldn't surprise me if SHIB does this once again. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So in the context of Shiba Inu, this is what most people are looking at right now. They'll just reference this and say, oh yeah, since December, Shiba Inu is heavily down. And yeah, when we look across the market, most assets are, okay? Right now, sentiment in the market has kind of been sitting in this neutral range. Yes, we've had some bouts of excitement. We had bouts of excitement even over the last few days, but it hasn't really been enough to make us break out and go on these runs to new highs. And again, I'll keep referencing back to this. The big point where the market kind of turned and shifted sentiment was the launch of the Trump and Melania meme coins. That definitely was a big curveball. The market wasn't expecting. A lot of liquidity moved around the space. I mean, even at the time of filming this video, if we look at how much the market cap of Trump meme coin currently is, it's still a $5 billion or $4.6 billion market cap. All right. That's not small by any means. That's a lot of capital that's still in here. That's like probably $800 million or so in terms of liquidity that has moved from other assets in the space into that meme coin. Right now, what's interesting is we have seen Shiba Inu do some pretty exciting things, go on some very violent movements, and these were not even that long ago. In fact, I want to remind people that last time Shiba Inu was in this range, which was just back here in November, it was actually on November 9th. It only took 4 days for Shiba Inu to do a 63% run and actually breach 403. That is how quickly these things can change in the crypto market. And again, like I've said many times before, the biggest thing we're waiting on is just retail excitement, retail adoption to take place, just a little bit of push from everything. All right. Now, that being said, what I keep referencing time and time again is the changes that have happened from that point to now. Less supply available on exchanges, larger supply held by whales because they have been very steadily accumulating. Yesterday was actually an outflow day for whales of 170 billion, which obviously pales in comparison to the addition that they've been doing. We know that this supply on exchanges has just continued to drop. I think I might have mentioned that already, but you guys get the point, right? So on a fundamental standpoint, even though we're at the same price that we were all the way back on November 9th, the fundamentals are better. All right. So Shiba Inu can actually move a lot faster to the upside. I'm not saying that it's going to. I'm not saying it's going to happen today even, right? But we know that what Shiba Inu was doing back here was it was fighting its trend. It was fighting resistance, trying to make this breakout to the upside. And then finally it had enough energy to make that move. And then FOMO ensued. And then all that capital that is on the sidelines that were desperately waiting to re-enter the market started to flow back in. When this trend breaks, guys, this is a big one. The floodgates open, the waterfall happens, and things start just booming in the crypto market. All right. Now, again, so many people just want this to happen instantly. They have recency bias. They want instant gratification. And unfortunately, the crypto market doesn't always give you instant gratification, right? It'd be great if we had, these 60% moves all the time. Doesn't always work like that. There are long extended periods where things are boring. They're blah. You go on, 30 or 40% retracements here, like Shiba Inu has done, currently down about 44% from that high that we experienced back here in December. That's not an uncommon thing. All right. And I really want to remind people, even in the last market cycle, as Shiba Inu went on a run all the way up to about 4036, it subsequently went on a drop of 80% down to 507. All right. These are not uncommon things in the crypto market. And what SHIB is showing us right now is strength. Whether you want to believe it or not, I really don't care. It's what the fundamentals are showing. If you're increasing in holders, if whales are buying up their position, if you're seeing these removal of supply from exchanges, it doesn't matter what your feelings are. All right. There's no place for feelings in finance. All that matters is what follows. These fundamental moves, these fundamental shifts that we've been talking about time and time again, they always precede these moves in the market. So now I'll just sit back and relax and watch. I built my position very much during the bear market cycle into the bull. I've tried to pick up as much as I can. I've opened up longs. Guys, I am prepped for this next move. And the question you have to ask yourself is, are you? Do you have the conviction to make it through a market cycle? One of the things I want to point to here is 3 years and 11 months. Okay. And many people don't realize this, but 3 years and 11 months is about the time frame for a market cycle to take place. So that is actually, 1,430 days. And what we should be watching here, it's about 1,430 days. What we should be watching here is, where is price at compared to 1,430 days ago? And as long as you, from a price standpoint, are higher than that point, you're in good shape. And the good news is 1,430 days ago, Shiba Inu price was way, way down here. So we are actually still on track with a normal market cycle. Nothing has really changed. Shiba Inu is still very closely following its trend to the upside. And again, we're just waiting for excitement. We're waiting for that burst in the market. And when these things do open, that's when the fundamentals we've hit on time and time again, that is when they start affecting price. So I just want to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you as always. Have a great day. I would not be surprised by February again being a good month, some violent moves along the way, maybe some days of opportunity, but I think that February is going to be a lot more rewarding than people are anticipating. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.